Hey guys, if you would like to see how I got these beautiful butterfly locks on my long hair, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair braided at the roots and twisted at the ends. And I'm going to fold my hair in half because I want them shorter than this length. So I'm going to fold that in half and crochet my hair, the ends of my hair through the middle of my strand or the middle of the twist. So I'm going to show you right now. So I have the crochet hook. Get the ends of the hair and pull it through. And another method you can use is folding it in half and securing it with a rubber band. So now I'm going to just crochet the crochet hair end. So I'm using the water wave hair by freetress. You can use freetress or Locs. I like both those. I think this one is probably a tad bit different, but either one will work for this style. So I just pull that through and I make one side longer than the other, and then I just start wrapping. And by the way, I use 3 different shades for this beautiful multi-brown color. I love this type of color combination for my skin complexion. I did this color before with Goddess Locs in the past. I love this color combo. It looks really pretty on people that's even darker. Caramel to chocolate or dark chocolate, it's a very pretty combo. So I'm going to just wrap that around like I said, and then for the butterfly look, I am going to wrap the hair around my thumb, as you can see right there, and then once I wrap it about twice, I unhook it from my finger. I'm kind of bad at explaining things sometimes, so sorry. I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to wrap it down a little bit first, and then I'm going to use my thumb as an anchor, I guess, and then wrap the hair around my thumb once or twice. It's better to do it twice because you get more of the look. And then once it's wrapped around my thumb twice, I'm going to hold that piece that's sticking out and just then start wrapping around at the bottom of that loop so that it stays like that. So you're basically creating loops throughout your lock, and you could do this as much as you want. I did it mine sparingly. I didn't do them like a lot. Like I didn't do them like every 2 wraps or anything like that. I just did probably about 3 or 4 per lock. You could do more if you want. Most people do more than I did. And mine came out really nice, and I got lots of compliments. I like them either way. It comes out really pretty, so I'm just gonna create it how I want to all the way down. But remember, to create that butterfly look, you want to use your thumb. And then I start wrapping it down towards the ends. Once I get to the ends, I don't really do too many of the butterfly loops. It's just easier that way. And then I'm going to wrap upwards to secure it. And then to keep that locked in, I like to seal with my flat iron. So I'm going to seal my flat iron, and I'm just using my Babyliss. I would suggest that you use a flat iron that you don't care about, to be honest. I'm using my good flat iron. I need to get me, one from like Walmart or something to use for styles like this, so I won't damage my flat iron. But hey, it is what it is. I have to use what I have, and I only have my Babyliss flat iron. So I'm just going to do another one, and like I said, I'm using 3 different shades. So I'm using color number 27 right here and this lock. So it's 27, which is honey blonde, 30, which is in this crochet here, it's about a medium brown, and then number 4, which is a dark chocolate brown. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just wrapping and then creating loops. So I just wrap it down about 3 times, and then I add my thumb in. Let me see if I can find the clip for you. So I wrap it around my thumb about twice, and then I hold that part, put it out the way, and then wrap at the bottom of it. So once I have that loop out the way, I want to go downward with my wrap so it could stick out, and it's gonna give me that cute little butterfly look. It's gonna have a little messiness to it, and it's just gonna have like that butterfly wing. The little loop makes it look like you have a butterfly wing. So yeah, I'm gonna continue that all throughout. And if you want to create this multi-colored look, you know, the multi-browns, or if you have multiple colors of like red or any shade like that, you just want to figure out which ones look better on you. So I picked these 3 shades. I could have probably went with some 613 too, but I was a little bit nervous. But you just want to figure out which one you like the best and which ones you like, which ones look the best on you. So I decided to go with mostly number 27 all around. So I had got more 27 than I did the rest. So I did 27 like more towards the front, and then towards the back I did a lot of 30 and some 4. Towards like the middle I did a lot of number 4. So I just did mine like all different all around. I didn't really go like 4 27 30 4 27 30, if you get what I'm saying. I didn't just go like, oh, every 3 you do it this color. I just went with what look I felt looked good in that spot. Like if I didn't like how number 27 looked in front of my face, or I didn't like how this one lock was looking that I'm doing right now, and I wanted it to be a number 30, I could just change out that 27 and put in a 30, so that it looks right on me and it's just giving me the vibe that I'm going for. But I was feeling 27 with this style. Like 27 was looking pretty good towards you know, with this lock style. And my skin tone, it's a little lighter than my skin tone, and it just really looked good. It complements my eyes as well because I have like a medium brown shade of eyes. I think it brings out my eyes too, so it looks great on my skin tone. You know, once I get my face together, and it brings out my eyes too. I know I kind of look a hot mess in this video. It was super late at night right here. It was the end of the day. I was working in the salon this day, and I was doing things around the shop, and then I need to do my hair. So my eyebrows were melting off. They were like all over the place. I was oily, and I just, you know, don't look my best right here, but you're gonna see how great this style looks on me afterwards, once I have a clean face and my eyebrows are freshly filled in and things like that. So yeah, you'll see. But I really love this style, and I definitely love these colors. But yeah, let me stop rambling. So we're continuing to wrap, and once you get to the ends, you want to wrap again up, and then you want to burn that piece off. If the piece is like too long or too thick, you can burn it off like what I'm doing right here too, and then take part of that hair and start wrapping up, instead of wrapping up with the whole entire strand that's left over, because sometimes it could be too thick and then it just won't lay right. So yeah, that's what I did, and I just cut the rest off, and I'm going to just sew a little bit more at the ends. So now that I'm done, I'm going to lay my edges down. My edges were woofing too. As you see, my edges were sweating, and it curled up very tightly. This was a hot mess this day, sorry. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay my edges down, and if you watched any of my other videos, you already know that I have like a different hairline. I have a low hairline, and it's like a box. So I'm just gonna try to, you know, get myself together right here. Give me some little cute baby hairs, some little swirls and swoops and finger waves. And you guys, I had those box braid twists and for days before I got to do this. But yeah, I'm done, and this is the look. This is the final. This was my Instagram story that I have posted. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.